Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito using mojito syrup. This easy method will have you enjoying a refreshing drink in no time. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to the quick mixing steps. You'll be surprised how effortless it is to create this classic cocktail at home, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. To craft your perfect mojito, you'll need a few key items. Grab your favorite white rum, about 1.5 ounces, and 1 ounce of quality mojito syrup. Fresh lime juice, approximately 1/2 ounce, brightens the taste. Don't forget a handful of fresh mint leaves and some chilled club soda to top it off. These simple components create a fantastic drink. Let's mix. First, place about 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into your glass. Gently muddle them to release their oils and juice, but don't overdo it. Next, pour in 1.5 ounces of white rum and 1 ounce of mojito syrup. Fill your glass with ice, then top it off with club soda. Give it a gentle stir to combine. Now for the finishing touches. Elevate your mojito with a beautiful garnish. A fresh sprig of mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, makes a perfect addition. You can also add a lime wheel or wedge to the rim of your glass for an extra touch of citrus. Serve your refreshing mojito immediately and savor every sip of your easy, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.